In this video, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone connect to Wi-Fi automatically. So if you've connected to a Wi-Fi once, you can let your iPhone to connect to the Wi-Fi next time this Wi-Fi is available automatically without you typing the Wi-Fi password. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to make your iPhone to connect to a Wi-Fi or hotspot automatically, first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, click on Wi-Fi, and then search for the Wi-Fi you want to connect to automatically. You can see here I have two Wi-Fi. Then let's say I connect to my Samsung Wi-Fi. Go ahead and type in the Wi-Fi password that you want to connect to. And then click on the join button at top right. Once you hit the join button at top right and your iPhone is connected to this Wi-Fi, now to auto connect to this Wi-Fi next time, click on the Wi-Fi name. There you go, and make sure auto join is enabled. You see this? Auto join. So if this is enabled, your iPhone will automatically connect to this Wi-Fi network next time when it's available. So let's say this Wi-Fi network is no longer available, then we turn off the Wi-Fi like this. Then go ahead and turn on this Wi-Fi. Just hang on. You can see this Wi-Fi is connected automatically. So your iPhone will henceforth automatically connect to this Wi-Fi whenever the Wi-Fi is within the range or is available in your location. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.